Hello and welcome to another Qcorn educational video. In this video, I've asked Comet to add an H5P package that Comet had created to the course as an H5P activity. Earlier Comet had run into an issue that helped to identify a permission problem, and after I corrected the permission problem, I asked Comet to try again, which you can see in the prompt in the upper left of the AI Assistant window. The glowing light blue pulsating frame around the web page indicates that the browser AI assistant is acting on the prompt and attempting to complete the task. As the AI assistant works, blue dots will flash on the screen, screens will change, dialog boxes will open, and screenshots of the current screen will appear in the chat window with the AI assistant. Generated text summaries of what the AI assistant is doing will appear in the chat window also. Great! Comet has located the H5P package and will add it to the course. Occasionally, Comet will pause and ask a question or seek clarification before continuing. A short text prompt will get Comet back on task. Excellent! Now the H5P activity is added to the course. Thank you for the assistance, Comet.